guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I know you guys have been dying for me to take the damn braids out my hair, and today is the day, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and take out my braids, and I'm going to show you guys the process of taking them out and looking at the state of my hair, all that good stuff. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Y'all, my hair is super duper old. Well, it's not super duper old, but it's been a month now, and for me, that's old. So it's time to take these bad boys out. Now, I don't know how far my hair actually goes. What I'm gonna do is test a back section. For this first one, I'm just gonna cut right here. I know my hair ain't this long. Let's just see how long my hair is. And then we are going to start taking these braids. I mean, we're taking them out now, but I'm gonna really get in the rhythm with, cause I be wanna cut right up here. You know my hair right here, so I don't wanna go too far down. Right now it is 6:52 p.m. So we're gonna see how long it take me to take these out. I think my hair is like right here. Oh my god, I ain't seen my hair in so long. That's one down. I'm gonna just cut the rest. Right here. Snip, 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 snip. That was a little bit longer. Let's just take them out, you guys.
You were special to me. I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feelings I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the times.
All right, you guys, I've taken out half of my hair, and it is now 7:42. My phone cracked. My phone cracked the other day, and I was pissed. But yeah, I've taken out one half in about 40-something minutes. Not too shabby, but I got to keep going. I just like to tie one side up, and then when you need the hair to take out, just pull one out and continue. Y'all, another 45 minutes and we'll be done. Hopefully. Just keep watching.
Did we fall from love? And I get high off the time of love. Asking why did we fall from
So I have taken out all of my hair, and it feels so good to be able to just feel my scalp and just do this. Oh, it feels so good. But anyway, I finished at 8 o'clock, y'all, actually. Like, no. This is 9 o'clock now. Okay, you see, it's 9 o'clock. But I finished at like 8:30, and then I talked to Jalen for a little minute, and then went downstairs and stuff. So I did end and stop around 8:30, so it took almost 2 hours to get this out of my hair, but it's out, and I am tired tonight, so I am not going to be completing my hair tonight. But I am going to go ahead and do a overnight conditioner. Now, y'all know I do not like overnight conditioners because it's overly moisturizing. This is specifically for overnight conditioning. This is from my L. This is their Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. It looks like that. And I just wanted to go ahead and try it out. And also, my hair is super dry because I've had it in these braids, and I haven't done any deep conditioning or anything. It hasn't had any moisture, so I think it should be fine, and it shouldn't get any type of moisture overload or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair, probably just in half or so, and slap some of this stuff on. I have not used it at all, but let's see. This is the consistency. It's actually pretty like creamy and smooth. It feels like it'll be super easy to distribute this product. And also, I'm not adding water to my hair, so my hair is not wet while this conditioner is sitting on. That was something else that I did when I did get my moisture overload. I put the deep conditioner on wet hair and slept overnight. So this time I'm not wetting it. I'm just gonna add this product. Now I still got a bunch of shed hair. I haven't detangled my hair or anything. I'm just adding this product. I don't like to detangle my hair while it's dry at all. So you will never see me running no type of comb or brush through my hair when my hair is dry. I like to be in the shower when I detangle my hair. So there's no detangling happening out here. Like I said, I will add this moisture so that my hair can be prepping for wash tomorrow. So it's kind of like a pre-poo. I don't know where the camera turned off at, but I woke up this morning, as you guys know from the previous clip, hopefully I did get that in. I did go ahead and put the Mael Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner on my hair. My hair feels soft. It's dirty still, but it's still soft. But I had to put it in like a nice bun with a cap on because I had some errands to run today. Now we are ready to hop in the freaking shower and do my thing. So I did want to go ahead and just let you guys know exactly what I would be using. But I want to go ahead and just take my hair out because, child, I am ready to wash my hair. Y'all still think my hair look good at all times? You still feel that way, sir? Because it ain't looking too great right now. So, I don't know what I want to use. So many choices. I'm probably going to use my same shampoo that I did use for my braids, which is that Cantu, because I really want to get everything out of my hair. I am going to be using the Cantu shampoo, but I don't have much of this shampoo. This is actually the Texture by Cantu Apple Cider Vinegar and Tea Tree Soothing Shampoo. And I also have this Eco Slay Peppermint Snops Hair Wash. So I'm going to be using a conjunction of these two just so I don't use all of one of them. I'm getting kind of low on both. Okay, this one ain't that low, but it ain't full either. So I'm probably gonna be using a conjunction of both of these products for my shampoos. And since I am taking out a protective style, I am gonna take a little bit more time to condition my hair and detangle in the shower. And I just got this conditioner in. You guys know in my normal routine, I do not do this step, but since I'm coming out of a protective style, I would like to go ahead and just put some TLC to my detangling step. So I did get this My Black is Beautiful Fortifying Conditioner. I got this in like a PR package and I thought it was just cute and I just wanted to try it out. So I just want to let y'all know I will be in the shower testing out this bad boy along with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. So I am going to go ahead and shampoo and detangle my hair in the shower, and then I'll be back to go ahead and add my deep conditioner. So I will see you guys in just a minute. Let me tell you something. I'm about done. I'm tired of doing my hair already, okay? But nah, it didn't take much. Dang, I just put on too much lip gloss. Greasing them up. But anyway, it ain't even lip gloss. I used the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Okay, so I've shampooed my hair and I did 2 washes. I used the Cantu first and then I went in with the Eco Slay because my hair was dirty. Not my roots. Mainly, it was more of my hair just having that little, you know, that little grittiness to it. I washed my hair, shampooed it. Then I went in with the conditioner. That conditioner actually was really good. I was actually surprised at that. So I did use that to just detangle, and I didn't have my Felicia Leatherwood in the shower, so I used my Tangle Teaser brush. So this is where we at, and I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition with the Mael Babasu Mint Deep Conditioner. Just because this one, like I told y'all, do me well, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. This thing's soaking wet. I didn't leave my hair like super soaking wet. I just wanted to show y'all kind of like me putting a deep conditioner on. But my hair looks really good. It looked really good. I kind of miss it. At first I was like, ugh, I'm dreading doing my hair. But now I'm like, oh, hey hair. I did miss you a little bit. I didn't think I missed ya, but I missed ya. So get some deep conditioner. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. My hair is getting so long. So while I was in the shower everything went pretty good. Let me show you guys how much shed hair I got. My hair is still kind of shedded just a little bit, but my hair was in those braids for a month, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, hello, where you been at? I'm like, in my head, I'm like, what hairstyle am I about to do? Why am I so excited? All right, so that's my hair, you guys. Hair's back, hair's back. So I'm gonna just go ahead and twist this back up and then head on to that other section. So while I was in the shower, like I said, I did 2 washes and then I detangled with that conditioner in my hair because my hair was really tangled. I made sure I was under the running water and my hair didn't shed that much actually. I didn't get a lot of shed hair. I mean, I got quite a bit, but it's the normal amount of shed hair that I always get, so that's good. This is the amount of shed hair that I did get. It's really not that much. I literally made sure I saved every inch of hair. I got it all out the brush. I got it all out the shower. Even when I do protective styles, you are not finna see me detangling shit outside the shower. Don't try it. If you have like tighter curl hair, thicker hair, type 4 hair, that's just something. I mean, I just feel like it just takes out way more hair than you need to because your hair is super dry. As you're taking that comb through, it's breaking off more hair than what's needed. So if you can, always try to do your hair when your hair is like wet or something. At least wet your hair a little bit or put some moisturizer on it or something before you go putting the comb through it. Don't just comb that dry hair because you will pop your hair straight off. But when you are in the shower, just make sure you are very careful with the hair tools because your hair is fragile while it's in the shower, but it's not as fragile as you ripping that shit out with a brush while your hair is dry. Just a little tip your girl had to go and give you. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this deep conditioner over the rest of my hair. I have completely added my deep conditioner and I am pretty much done, you guys. So my hair is looking nice and juicy. Let me show you. A little close-up cam. Okay, so my hair is looking nice and moisturized and all that stuff, but I'm gonna let all the nutrients sink in. My hair is all good to go. It's detangled, it's cleansed, all that good stuff. So thumbs up for those braids. I actually really liked those knotless braids, you guys. Like, it just felt so natural. They were lightweight. I went swimming in them. I redid them. I wore them for a month. I got my money's worth out of them bad boys, okay? But I'm ready for the curl action. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. What you guys want to see next? Twist out, braid out, wash and go. Y'all know I don't do no damn twist out. Anyway, wash and go it is. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.